Howdy, Champion Trading Corporation. We're test running a Greerco half horsepower laboratory homogenizer in a, looks like a 2-gallon batch. It'll do, small batches, great for emulsifying, homogenizing creams or lotions or ointments or all kinds of pharmaceutical and food remedies. I'm just going to show you how it operates. We have a variable speed controller here. I'm going to adjust it down into the container. Usually want to get it a little bit off the bottom. Show you the virtuoso of the turn it on here. It goes up to 7,500 RPM, and there's a deflector plate here. And deflector plate will actually, the higher you go, the more tumultuous you'll see. We have it only about half full. And that's half speed right there. I'm going to drop it down a little bit. And like I said, it goes up to 7,500. Homogenizing small batches. Find it on our website at champtrading.com. And a little 110 volt, I don't know if I mentioned that. Single phase voltage, great for small batches. And thanks for visiting us today at champtrading.com. Great day.